Is it magic or just pure talent that some vocals recorded at home rival those from high-end studios? The truth is, it's neither. The real secret lies in mastering certain techniques that can elevate your sound from just okay to absolutely stunning, right from your own space. If you're looking to transform your vocal recordings from the comfort of your home studio, buckle up. We're about to embark on a journey through the essential skills and tweaks that make all the difference. In the quest to achieve professional-sounding vocal recordings at home, the choice of microphone is paramount. Let's unravel the mysteries of microphone selection, ensuring your vocals are captured with pristine clarity and richness. Dynamic microphones, known for their ruggedness and ability to handle high sound pressure levels, are often the go-to for live performances. However, when it comes to recording vocals in a home studio, condenser microphones typically take center stage. These mics are sensitive and capable of capturing a wide frequency range and the subtle nuances of vocal performances, making them ideal for studio recording. Ribbon microphones, with their figure-8 polar pattern and warm vintage sound, offer an alternative flavor for those looking to add a classic touch to their recordings. Each microphone type brings its unique characteristics to your sound, allowing for a range of creative possibilities. To complement your microphone choice, a pop filter is an essential accessory. It serves as your first line of defense against plosives, those pesky P and B sounds that can produce a burst of air, leading to an unpleasant sound in your recording. A shock mount is equally important, isolating the microphone from mechanical vibrations and handling noise, ensuring that your recordings are as clean and free from unwanted noise as possible. Moreover, an often overlooked component of your recording setup is the microphone cable. Investing in a quality microphone cable is crucial. This investment safeguards the clarity and quality of your sound, making it a wise choice for any serious home recording enthusiast. Selecting the right equipment is not just about purchasing. It's about understanding the synergy between these tools and how they contribute to capturing the essence of your vocal performance. With the right microphone, accompanied by a pop filter, shock mount, and quality cable, you're well on your way to achieving studio-grade vocal recordings in your home setup. Optimal microphone placement is a critical factor in capturing the essence and quality of your vocal recordings, providing both clarity and warmth to your tracks. Discovering the perfect position for your microphone can transform a good performance into a great one. By moving closer to the microphone, you can take advantage of the proximity effect, which enhances the bass frequencies, adding richness and depth to your voice. Conversely, increasing the distance between you and the mic can reduce this effect, leading to a clearer and more balanced tone, ideal for capturing the natural nuances of your performance. A technique highlighted from our free guide involves the use of reflection filters. These handy tools can significantly improve your vocal quality by isolating the sound and minimizing room reflections. Placing a reflection filter behind your microphone creates a dry vocal sound, free from the coloration of room acoustics. This setup is especially beneficial in untreated recording spaces, where unwanted echoes and reverberations can muddle your recordings. Embracing these microphone placement strategies will elevate your home recordings, ensuring every detail of your vocal performance is captured with precision. Pro tip: while optimal microphone placement is essential, the devil is in the details to achieve that studio-quality vocal sound at home. Aiming for about a 3-inch distance between you and the microphone can be a good starting point to harness the proximity effect without overwhelming your vocal tracks with too much bass. However, it's crucial to remember that a pop filter, though helpful, might not catch every plosive sound that can disrupt your recording. For added protection, consider pairing it with a windscreen. Considering the use of both can further smooth out those hard P and B sounds, ensuring a cleaner recording. Moreover, the direction you sing into the microphone plays a significant role in the quality of your capture. Singing directly into the mic can sometimes result in a harsh, direct blast of air hitting the diaphragm, leading to unwanted noise. Instead, try angling your mouth slightly off-axis from the center of the microphone. This technique allows you to avoid the narrow stream of air from direct speech or singing impacting the microphone directly, which can cause distortion or an overly bassy sound. Experimenting with these placement strategies, along with utilizing both a pop filter and/or a windscreen, will significantly refine your vocal recordings. It's about finding the perfect balance that suits your unique voice and the specific requirements of the song you're recording. By paying close attention to these details and continuously experimenting, you'll not only ensure that every nuance of your performance is captured, but also maintain the integrity of your vocal tone, making your recordings shine with professional brilliance. The recording environment is a critical factor in achieving high-quality vocal sound. A space that's not only quiet but also acoustically optimized is key to capturing vocals that are crisp, clear, and free from background disturbances. Achieving such an environment doesn't have to drain your budget. Our comprehensive free guide introduces various DIY sound treatment strategies that are both affordable and effective. Simple techniques, such as utilizing blankets and mattresses to dampen sound, can markedly diminish room reflections and create an isolated recording space akin to a professional booth. Draping heavy blankets over microphone stands or positioning mattresses around the room can enhance the warmth and clarity of your vocals significantly. Beyond these strategies, it's crucial to address potential sources of noise that can mar your recordings. Air conditioners, fans, and appliances with motors, like refrigerators, can introduce unwanted noise into your tracks. Street noises are another common culprit. Thus, selecting a recording space away from busy areas is advisable. Rooms with hard surfaces, such as those with bare walls and floors, should be avoided due to their tendency to reflect sound and create echoes. Filling the room with furniture can also aid in acoustically treating the space, as various items can absorb and scatter sound waves, reducing echoes and achieving a more controlled sound environment. Implementing these practical and budget-friendly adjustments to your recording environment can lead to profound improvements in your vocal recordings. By taking proactive steps to minimize background noise and enhance the acoustic quality of your space. Achieving professional-level recordings at home becomes not just a possibility, but a reality. Remember, the quality of your recording environment plays as crucial a role in your sound as your performance and equipment. Performance techniques play a pivotal role in the quality of your vocal recordings. It's not just about hitting the right notes. Breath control, emotional delivery, and consistency are crucial components that breathe life into your music. Mastering these aspects can elevate your recordings from good to unforgettable. Vocal warm-up exercises can prove to be essential for any vocalist looking to improve their performance. These exercises not only prepare your voice for the session ahead, but also enhance your control and stability, allowing for a more dynamic and expressive delivery. Moreover, maintaining energy and emotion through multiple takes can be challenging. It's important to stay mentally and physically engaged with the material. Techniques such as visualizing the song's story or connecting personally with the lyrics can help preserve the authenticity and intensity of your performance. Implementing these performance techniques ensures that each take captures the raw emotion and energy needed to truly resonate with your audience, making your recordings more powerful and impactful. Pro tip: remember, the microphone captures more than just sound. It captures the feeling behind each note. One of the most effective techniques to enhance your vocal performance is to sing with a smile or a physical expression that matches the emotion of the song. This physical manifestation of emotion can significantly change the tone and feel of your voice, making it more engaging and relatable to the listener. Even if your audience can't see you, they can hear your smile or the sincerity in your voice, adding an extra layer of connection through your recording. Combine this approach with the vocal warm-up exercises and performance techniques, and you're on your way to delivering not just music, but an experience that touches the hearts of your audience. Navigating the technical landscape of recording settings and techniques is crucial for achieving professional quality vocals. Setting the right levels is foundational. It's about finding the sweet spot where your dynamic range is preserved without the risk of clipping, which can distort your vocals and compromise the quality of the recording. This balance ensures that every nuance of your performance is captured, from the softest whisper to the most powerful note. Incorporating a headphone mix with a touch of reverb can significantly benefit the singer's performance. This slight enhancement creates a more natural and inspiring environment for the vocalist, mimicking the acoustics of a live performance space. It can boost confidence and help singers deliver a more emotive and connected performance. It is important to use a high-pass filter during the mixing phase. This technique is invaluable for cleaning up the vocal track by removing low-frequency rumble that's not needed for most vocal performances. It clarifies the vocal presence, ensuring it cuts through the mix without unnecessary competition from low-end frequencies. Employing these recording settings and techniques not only elevates the quality of your vocal tracks, but also enriches the overall production value of your music, making your recording shine with professional polish. Bonus tip 1. Consistency in your recording process is key. Once you've set input levels for your session, resist the urge to adjust them. This consistency saves considerable time during mixing, as it ensures all recorded tracks will have uniform volume levels, making the mixdown process smoother and more efficient. Bonus tip 2. Allocate each vocal take or instrumental part to its own track within your DAW. This separation allows for greater control during the mixing process, enabling you to adjust levels, apply effects, and tweak EQ settings individually for each element. This method ensures clarity and balance in your final mix. Remember, the essence of recording is not just in following steps, but listening intently to what you're capturing. The real magic happens when you trust your ears above all else. While techniques and guidelines provide a roadmap, your auditory judgment is paramount. Be intentional and establish a consistent recording routine. The creative heart of your work lies within the song itself, not the variability of your process. By adopting a methodical approach to recording, you allow the uniqueness of your music to shine through, grounded in the clarity and quality of professional sound production. Venturing into the realm of post-processing is the key to elevating a decent vocal track to the heights of professional studio quality. The trio of basic EQ, compression, and reverb settings forms the backbone of this journey, each bringing a distinct advantage to your vocal enhancement arsenal. Through EQ adjustments, you can sculpt the vocals to either shine prominently or blend smoothly with the mix, ensuring every word is delivered with crystal clear clarity. Compression steps in to smooth out the dynamic peaks and valleys, providing a consistent level that keeps both whispers and belted notes in perfect harmony. Reverb then weaves its magic by adding a layer of spatial depth, placing your vocals in a virtual space that feels both expansive and intimately connected to the instrumentation. Incorporating high-quality preamps and the subtle use of analog processing can further refine your vocal tracks, imbuing them with warmth and character that's often sought after in professional recordings. These elements work together to polish and perfect the raw beauty of your vocal performance. Pro tip: chasing the perfect sound can often lead you down a path of endless gear collection. Yet, the secret to truly exceptional audio lies not in the quantity of your equipment, but in the depth of your expertise. Dedicate yourself to fully understanding and exploiting the capabilities of your current setup. Embrace a challenge to craft 100 songs, leveraging only the tools you already own. It's important to recognize that your skill and creative approach contribute to 90% of your sound's quality, while your equipment makes up the remaining 10%. This approach not only sharpens your production skills, but ensures that any future gear investments are strategic, aimed at genuinely complementing your well-honed abilities. Our 30-day challenge offers detailed tutorials on mastering these processes, providing step-by-step guidance to employ these techniques effectively. The key to successful post-processing is subtlety. Overdoing any effect can quickly lead to an unnatural sound. Using reference tracks of professionally mixed songs can help you gauge the right amount of processing to apply, ensuring your vocals not only sound great on their own, but also blend seamlessly with the mix. This approach to post-processing is essential for anyone looking to elevate their home recordings to a professional standard. In this video, we've explored essential tips for improving your vocal recordings at home, from selecting the right equipment and optimizing your environment to refining your performance and mastering post-processing techniques. For more comprehensive advice and in-depth tips, make sure to download our free guide. If you're ready to take your recording and production skills to the next level, consider joining our 30-day challenge. Don't forget to like this video, comment with your experiences or any questions you might have, and subscribe to our channel for more content designed to help you create better music from your home studio.